Hey guys! Today I'm sharing a junk journal I made for a special someone who absolutely loves the TV show The Office. This is a birthday gift from my 8-year-old niece. She loves The Office and all things colorful and floral, so I thought that I'd put together this special journal for her that represents all the things that make her happy. If you love The Office or all things colorful, floral, or hand-drawn doodles, then I hope you enjoy this junk journal flip through. This inner cover was inspired by Tanya Samuels. She makes amazing interactive junk journals, and I knew my niece would love interactive elements in hers. This is a window that folds out, and it holds a framed picture of my beautiful niece, which I decorated with lots of stickers from The Office. I made this large envelope with my fabric scraps, which is a great way to use them up. The envelope is secured with twine because it does hold a lot of goodies. I purchased a large pack of The Office stickers, so I tucked them in here so that she can use them to decorate her journal. I recreated the future Dwight notepad as a funny touch to the journal, but it also serves for secretive journaling, or the pages can be torn out and moved around. I included plenty of pattern papers, journaling cards, and coloring pages of The Office. I thought it was another great way to inspire my niece to pick up any craft tools or coloring tools that she has at home so that she can complete this journal and make it more her own. You can find this colorful pocket and floral labels in my Etsy shop as digital printables. These create more journaling spots and layer nicely on top of your journal spread to add more color and dimension. In the same printable kit, I included these trims that can function like decorative washi tape to add a cute touch to your pages. This is my favorite interactive page. I know the illustration will bring a laugh, but I also love a hidden journal spread that you might have forgotten about because it's covered when you flip the pages. But seeing it again inspires your next journaling. This outer cover was also inspired by Tanya Samuels. It's a flip out with lots of pockets holding cute inspirational journaling cards and tags. These frames hold the cutest pictures of my niece. I know she's going to love the colors and the collaging and seeing herself in her own journal. This doodle in the bottom is a drawing of her garden. She drew this with chalk outside her house, and I had to include it in her journal as a special memory to keep. I absolutely love how these little journaling envelopes came out, also inspired by Tanya. I think this is the cutest idea ever to have them clipped onto the page. This outer cover folds out and has more pockets to tuck in more journaling or photographs. I got it started with some cute tags and a funny picture of my niece who loves to use filters when we video chat. I hope you guys enjoyed the theme of this junk journal. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more colorful content. Bye!